In this video, we'll show you how to buff and polish polyurethane to achieve a professional level finish. First, apply multiple coats of polyurethane for a flawless finish, preferably 4 or more. But even with a thick finish, you might still encounter imperfections like dust bumps and brush marks. That's where buffing and polishing come into play. To buff the surface, grab a piece of fine sandpaper around 320 grit and gently move the sandpaper back and forth across the polyurethane coated surface. This will remove the high spots and eliminate those pesky bumps. Run your fingertips over the surface to feel the difference. A smoother finish without excessive dullness or shine is what we are looking for at this stage. Once you achieve that, grab a non-woven 3M rubbing pad of fine grit and polish the surface effectively. For a matte finish or subtle sheen, use the fine grit rubbing pad. It will smoothen imperfections while providing minimal gloss. If you need a shinier finish, follow up with a superfine rubbing pad using the same technique as before. If you want an even shinier finish, you can opt for power buffing using an ultra-fine rubbing pad. This is optional but gives you greater control over the sheen level. Remember, the amount of buffing determines the final shine. The same technique can be applied to complex shapes or profiles, but you'll need to perform all the steps by hand. The flexibility of the rubbing pads allows for contouring and working along the edges of panels where stiles and rails meet. That means you can achieve glass smooth finishes on any surface, no matter its complexity. Remember, achieving exceptional wood finishes requires meticulous sanding and polishing techniques. Start with a sufficient thickness of finish, eliminate dust bumps with sandpaper, and refine the surface using rubbing pads. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming up with more such awesome content in the future. Thank you for watching. See you next time.